Hey guys, Makeupbyjalesse here. You already know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and do not miss a video. So let's get right into it, you guys. I will be showing you how to get this beautiful V-part body wave 24-inch 150 density V-part wig by UNice hair. And I am so excited because I love V-parts, you guys. Like, I absolutely love them. So we're going to just keep going and we're going to get into the video. So UNice hair sent me this V-part wig, which I'm going to slay for you guys in the video. And if you don't know what a V-part is, it's basically kind of like a U-part, but it's a little bit more closed in. So it requires less of a leave out, or if you even need to put a leave out. So you already know UNice is always going to hook us up with some bomb goodies when we order this hair, you guys, and that's what I love about them. Combs, leopard print is my favorite, so this was a plus. I will definitely be using this, so thank you guys for that. And just other goodies like eyelashes. I believe they sent like a scarf, a wig cap, all these little good things, which I love every time I'm unboxing these wigs. So in the beginning, I was showing you guys my foundation as I braid my hair down, as you guys can see. The reason why I braid my hair down is this, because sometimes my hair can be a little silky at the top, so it's hard for the clips to grab. So this is my foundation, and this usually works for me. So this is the wig, this is her, this is she. She is beautiful, absolutely stunning. Of course, I said it's a body wave, 150 density. This is a 24-inch and natural black, which I really hope it match. From the looks of it, it looked like it does match, but later on when I was like going outside, it's a tad bit lighter than my hair, but it's okay. It's perfect. But you guys know you guys can dye this hair because it is human hair. So let's just get into the deets of the wig. So as you can see, all the combs are around the perimeter. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little kind of clip-ins, and it's 3 combs on the side and in the back, and an adjustable strap. So I'm letting you guys know now, this V-part is not going anywhere, you guys. If you secure this wig, you'll be fine. So this is what the outside of it looks like. It has that net on it because it's a way where when you put it onto your scalp, it blends in, and you just have to kind of finesse it, like if you do not want to leave any hair out. But child, please, I'm leaving this hair out so it can look as natural as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and, like you see, and leave this hair out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clip the wig in. And I just feel like these wig companies are getting so creative, because a lot of the times, like, we don't want to wear no weaves. We don't want no lace fronts. We tired of gluing hair down. Every time you got to go somewhere, you got to pop up and glue a wig down. Like, I don't have time for that. And then a lot of times I cannot keep wigs on my head for nothing. Like, I'm ready to snatch and go. Like, when it's time for me to, when I'm out and I have a wig on, I'm ready to snatch it off. Like, I just need to be free. So when I have these like U parts, these V parts, and all these different creative ideas that these wig companies are coming up with, I am just so amazed, and I am so in love. And this V part, I am in love with it, and it's so comfortable on my head, and that's what I really like, because it really feel like it's not a wig on my head. So just to let you guys know, and that is my whole honest review on this unit, because it was perfect. Now I will say, if you just put your hair in a ponytail, it's going to really be hard for you to kind of grip it, especially if you wanted to secure it. So I really highly recommend that you guys braid your hair down. So then those parts with the comb, which you're about to see me do, you can tuck that in. She's bomb. Look, weave in less than 5 minutes. So this is the part I'm talking about. Those combs, you want to tuck that into those braids so it can be secure as possible. And when I tell you guys this wig was secured, it was secure. Like, I was walking around, people thought I had a full head weave in. But we know it's a V part. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and just style this for you guys. And what I also liked about the body wave is that you really don't have to do much to it. It already has that wave, it has that texture, so you can literally just pop this on and go. But I did want to add a few little curls because I was raking through it, so it was kind of taking away the wave. So yeah, as you look, beautiful, look at it. Hallelujah. No, I'm just kidding. It looks gorgeous. So right now I'm just adjusting the strap in the back just so that it'll fit my head. It's very big head friendly, little head friendly. I was so surprised. Usually these V parts and U parts are kind of very big on my head, and this one fits perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and go off the camera. So I mean, not go off camera. I'm gonna stop talking, and I'm gonna show you guys a little bit on how I styled this wig. I'll be back. Okay, so now that I'm finishing up styling this, like I'm just taking a wand curler, as you can see, and just adding a little bit more curls to this unit and to just blend my hair in. But as you guys can see, this is everything. I'm definitely wearing this for Thanksgiving. I already got my hairstyle and I am in love. I love the way my hair blended in, which I left a little bit more of a leave out. I think you can leave a little bit less than what I did, but this is just how I wanted it to come out, and voila, this is it. I'm gonna go back in and touch up some of the curls later on, but I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful this hair is, how easy it is. It literally takes 5 to 10 minutes to go. Put it on and go. Again, here's the unit, here's the V-part unit. I will put all the information on this unit in the description box, so don't forget. Thanks for watching. Bye.